a new not coming out.
Yeah, the moon. It was a moon festival, right?
And the whole wanted to see a moon.
Yeah, Coco wanted to see the moon.
Let's see talk.
Yeah. What did he say? Yeah? What did he say? He said, I want to see the moon. But there were clouds in front of the moon.
Yeah.
So they made their own moon, right? Out of paper lanterns?
Yeah.
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 Oh yeah, the mice? The little guys, the mice were the ones who made the moon, right, out of the paper lanterns.
Remember the red one?
The red mouse?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a red one?
You remember the little guy who boat?
The little guy?
In the boat?
You remember Dusty the Plane?
Dusty the Plane?
Remember happened to Dusty the Plane?
Yeah. What happened to Dusty the Plane?
What happened?
There's a choo-choo train named Henry.
Oh, choo-choo train named Henry. What happened?
What happened at Dusty the Plane?
Yeah, what happened with Henry and Dusty the Plane? What happened?
Crash.
They crashed?
They crashed?
Wow.
Dusty the Plane.
Hey, can I have a kiss? Oh, big nice kiss.
Aww.
One more nice kiss.
Aww.
One more nice kiss. One more.
I'm getting jealous over here.
One more. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm still over the same one. I'm Howard and Lion. I went to the lion.
What? What's this then? Oh, totally. Oh, yeah, that's the
Yeah,
other one.
totally.
Yeah.
You wanted to see a moon. And you can see a moon?